Alright, so what's up, guys? Back at it again with the Mustang oil change.
And Daniel's back at it again with those white bands.
Anyway, gonna go ahead and start jacking up the Mustang. I got the correct tools this time. I actually needed a 7/8 wrench to get that. That Mustang. I actually needed a 7/8 to get my drain plug, which is, I know, extremely weird. It might be factory, I don't think so. We got these Husky jack stands. Yeah, I did order some new drain plugs. I got this GTX 1030 non-synthetic. The rest of my tools. Yeah. So, gonna go ahead and jack the car up. Got both my cars here today. I got the Mustang GT and then the Mini Cooper. So this is my other car, the Mini Cooper. It's a 09 Mini Cooper non-S, but it has a sport package. Oh yeah, for oil filter, I don't know if I discussed it last time, got that K&N Performance oil filter, and then the absorber oil change box. They're probably sold other places, not the exact same name. This is the Hawaii brand. You guys probably have something like it. If not, Standard Oil Japan. Alright, so it's one side on jack stand. Do the other side. Alright, so second jack stand up. Car is lifted. Alright, so Brent's here. Say hi, Brent.
What up?
So he's gonna try to get the oil filter off. Let's make sure that the box is underneath it. The box underneath it.
I don't know. Yep.
Okay. So he's gonna try to crack off the filter. It's not hot.
Did you try from underneath?
Yeah.
Okay.
I want to grab some shop towels to get a hold of it.
It's probably not gonna help. It's more an angle. Is there, if I lay underneath this, I'm gonna lay in oil?
No.
Alright.
Do you want a jacket?
You want my
Just in
jacket?
case.
Where my jacket?
Oh shit, I unzipped my jacket for nothing. I already got one jacket dirty, another jacket.
Yeah, sure that bromance. He's gonna wear my jacket.
What up? Yep.
No, bromance is when you guys shared boxers.
Done that before.
I only got somebody. Yep.
That was your
Let
fault.
me just drop the Moby.
That was the Moby.
Breaking shit, print.
Can you hold that so the screen doesn't get fucked up?
You're on the resign.
You restarted.
Is it restarted?
Yeah. Honestly. See, they're just like iPod 5th generations.
I'm gonna have to get a tool, huh?
Move this box out of the way. Slide in here so I can put my other arm on it.
What keeps someone from just taking one of these home and popping the iPod out? Huh?
Oh, I saw it budging.
Was it?
Yeah. Yeah, it's going. It's turning. Are they supposed to be hand tight?
Yep. It's also been on here a while. They probably put it on with the oil filter wrench.
It's on there tight, huh? Pretty tight.
Workout.
Alright, watch out. I can get it from here. A little bit more back towards you. Alright, there. Good.
Right there?
Yeah. I got it for her.
Oh, your pants are dirty. Are they already dirty?
Yeah, that's gonna dust them off.
I had to do laundry.
Nah, you're good. Next one.
What keeps someone from stealing one of these and taking
So
it
you're
home?
gonna go ahead and take the oil filter off.
You get fired.
Well, how would you know?
Because there's tracking.
Huh?
It's coming off.
It's coming off.
Let me make sure the rubber seal comes on.
Yeah, because my K&N filter has a freaking wrench spot on the end.
Yeah. That's for getting it off, not putting it off all the way.
Okay.
Do not put it on with that. Just move it.
You gonna go back?
Shit. Only 5 minutes in.
Throw that shit in the box.
You missed.
I didn't.
I mean, like, you will.
That's good.
You take the ring out?
No.
Ring still in the filter?
Probably.
Hopefully.
You
If
should
not,
go
gotta
look.
do it. Here it is. Just look under the filter. Or did it like face down in the box?
Face down, Hey, you dropping oil all over the ground.
Still on there, you're good.
Okay.
Now push it back on it. Oil and water is mine?
Nope.
Yeah.
It's hella dark though. Okay, now for the new filter. So he's gonna grab the oil filter. I gotta put the drain plugs back in. It's okay, I won't. So, drain plugs back in. I gotta put them back in real quick.
Make sure you put a filter in before you pour the new one on.
Yes, it is. Or any open spot.
Make sure you put the filter on before you pour oil in. Don't do that, you'll just plug away. Maybe not, but
We don't crap money to buy more oil.
Alright. How much is in here?
$99 or $96 for both cars insurance. Not bad at all. She said next page or next time we should leave a little bit more, 117 for both. And then after that it should be like 96 or 99.
Oh, I hope this is on straight. No, this drain plug.
did it thread in by hand really easily?
Decently.
Okay.
So I think this is actually a factory bolt though, dude.
Oh.
Because the other one in the back. No, because there's like a shit ton of these bolts down here.
Or they just replace it.
Is that video I tagged in?
No. Oh, wait, which one?
1320 with the Foxbody?
No.
Oh. Pretty impressive video.
I think I watched them all.